Thanks to schools, nowadays many people know how to read and write. Education has a big influence on the development of people and societies because it promotes knowledge, enriches culture, and teaches values. But in many parts of the world, rural schools do not respond to the local needs of children. And, as a result, the children may look down on their own culture and on local customs and knowledge. To value local culture and to encourage a healthy lifestyle, it is important that schools include topics on farming and traditional food in their curriculum and activities. Weave elements related to agroecology in the school curriculum of all the grades. By organizing field visits, children can learn from farmers about local varieties, ecological cropping practices, and farming tools. You can create a room dedicated to local farm culture where children can read books, watch videos, display their artwork, and play games. In a school garden, teachers, pupils, and parents can grow crops and other plants. It is important to offer healthy school meals with local ingredients. You can occasionally involve pupils to help their parents when cooking school meals. Engage children from all ages in creative classes to make drawings, poems and songs about ecological farming and healthy food. Seize every opportunity to celebrate the richness of local crop varieties, culture and knowledge. Our children deserve healthy, nutritious food that is grown locally, without any chemicals.
Va sembrando y cultivando para cosechar para